Do you know it's very much possible to start your own cake and pastry shop business and make lots and lots of money out of it, even when you have no idea? I repeat, no idea concerning baking. Follow me, guys. Let me give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to start your own cake and pastry shop business and make lots and lots of money out of it with little or no stress. My name is Alambe Charles. I'm a business person and a content creator. Welcome to Baking's, the money making channel, where we hold your hands and grow together. So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, please kindly subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. For simplicity of understanding, the cake and pastry business will be divided into two main sections. Section 1 will be titled as the baking section, and section 2 will be titled as the icing section. For the first section, section 1 or section A, which is the baking section, it will be further divided into two main parts. Part 1, which will be the baking ingredients. That is, this part will be solely focused on the baking ingredients. Then part 2 will be the baking equipment or the baking tools. So in part 1, the baking section, we will focus solely on those ingredients that you need to have in your shop as someone that intends to start up a cake and pastry business. And these ingredients are: 1, flour; 2, butter or margarine; 3, eggs; 4, normal sugar; 5, cocoa powder; 6, baking soda; 7, baking powder. Please don't get confused between a baking powder and a baking soda. These are two different things. And colors, cake colors and flavors. So these are the main things that you need to have in your shop for the start as someone that intends to start up a cake and pastry business. And virtually these are the main ingredients actually that you need, that entails baking as a whole. So these are a must have in your shop as someone that intends to start up a cake and pastry business.